In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions and animations to PowerPoint slides. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, open your PowerPoint presentation and select the slide you want to work on. This is where you'll be adding your transitions and animations, so make sure it's the right one. Once that's complete, navigate to the Transitions tab located at the top of your PowerPoint window. This tab is your gateway to a variety of effects that can enhance your presentation. Next, you'll want to choose a transition effect from the available options. You'll see a range of effects to pick from, each offering a unique way for your slides to move from one to the next. From here, you can preview the transition to see how it will appear during the presentation. This is a great way to ensure the effect matches the tone and style of your presentation. With that out of the way, adjust any settings if needed. You might want to tweak the duration or add a sound to the transition to make it more engaging. Now apply the transition to your slides. You can choose to apply it to just one slide or to all slides in your presentation, depending on your preference. Finally, you've successfully added transitions and animations to your PowerPoint slides. These enhancements can make your presentation more dynamic and captivating for your audience.